Tonight, a Hall County community in mourning and working to process a deadly chemical leak at a chicken plant.
And Jennifer, as you know, we have a lot to unpack tonight, so let's get straight to the three big takeaways. The leak killed 6 people at the Foundation Food Group plant in Gainesville. 5 people died at the scene, the 6th victim at the hospital.
Nearly a dozen people were injured, including 3 Gainesville firefighters and a Hall County firefighter. All but one of the first responders are out of the hospital.
Investigators say a liquid nitrogen leak caused this tragedy. Authorities say the preliminary investigation shows a nitrogen line ruptured. And we have a live team coverage for you tonight, folks. That is our top story. We have all the angles covered for you. We're going to walk you through the timeline of events from the people on the ground. John Sherrick is going to kick off our team coverage live from Northeast Georgia Medical Center in Gainesville with the very latest. John?
Tonight, 3 of the plant's employees remain in critical condition here at the hospital from the nitrogen leak that killed 6 employees.
Witnesses describe frightening chaos.
All of a sudden, I just seen people running out of the building.
Jackie Reese, working across the street from this plant, Foundation Food Group, says the people he saw running outside were gasping for air.
2 people fell out on the grass, just collapsed.
Emergency responders from Hall County and from Gainesville, while rushing to the plant, quickly found out the horrific scope of the tragedy and danger awaiting them.
We have a nitrogen leak in here. We have some people down inside.
We got an active nitrogen leak. We got multiple DOAs.
Per triage, you have 5 confirmed DOA.
5 employees killed at the plant. 1 more employee died later at the hospital. Victims of a nitrogen line inside the plant that had ruptured, according to company spokesman Nicholas Ancrum.
And our hearts go out to their families and communities who have suffered such a devastating loss.
Ancrum said the company is cooperating with investigators. Foundation Food Group processes poultry at this plant. Federal investigators from OSHA and authorities from Hall County say it appears initially that the nitrogen line ruptured accidentally somehow, but they're investigating all possible causes. 130 employees escaped. Hall County Sheriff Gerald Couch, not yet releasing the names of the 6 people killed, says the community and his department are heartbroken.
A lot of these folks that came into work today did not have any idea of what would happen, nor did their families. But here we are. So that's why I asked you for all your prayers.
And I'm like, Lord, what's going on? You know, it was just scary. Really, it was scary. And I started praying. You know, this world can't take much more chaos.
One of the firefighters treated at the hospital is still here. He's expected to be okay and may be released tomorrow.